Okay, so next step, people, what I'm going to do is cut a simple section right through here. I'm going to right click and go to view. I'm going to change my detail level just because I like doing that. And I'm going to go not to wireframe, I'm sorry, to hidden line. Now, as you notice on the first floor, my elevator looks great, right? If I look at a 3D view, boy, that thing is going through the roof. So what do we have to do to fix that? Well, first of all, let's count a few things when we click on the family. Notice what my property box will change. When I click on that, it tells me that this is my basic passenger 2500. If I go to editing the type, look what it's saying here. If I go down, somewhere it's going to tell me what? It's going to ask me a question. It's probably going to ask me the number of what? Let's pause the video and discuss something. Okay, so we determined that once we clicked on the family, one of the questions it was going to ask us was the number of stops. Well, we determined we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 stops. We don't take it all the way to the roof. So we need 4 stops. That's first. We'll apply that. Now we still have a problem. The distance between what? The distance from those stops. What is our distance? From the ground to the first floor, it's what? 12.6. So from stop 1 to stop 2, right? It is 12 foot 6 inches. Now, from stop 2 to stop 3, is it 12 foot 6? Let's look. No, it's only 12 at that point, isn't it? We know that because we had to add that extra 6 inches for the floor when we put that in. So, from stop 2 to 3, it's 12. Oops. Something happened there. Let's go back. Sorry about that. So we need to change from stop 2 to stop 3 needs to be 12. And stop 3 to stop 4 also needs to be 12. And now our elevator is properly placed in our model. We're going to go back later and do some detailing and of the elevator pit. So what you're going to find is that we're going to have some additional overrun down here, and this structural portion of it is going to run into that pit, and we're going to have a sump pit detail. But that doesn't come until later on in the project, and a lot of that will be, as opposed to being modeled, will be a lot of detailed line work, okay? So I'll let you go ahead and do that, and that'll be all that we'll do for today in our projects. So make sure you get that part of it done. I have spoken.